Hello guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I will show you the easiest way how you could extend or prolong the battery life of your Asus computer or laptop. If you are looking for a way to protect your battery and to extend its life, then this video is for you. First of all, what you want to do if you have Windows 7, 8, 10, 11 or even 12, go to the Search tab and type Microsoft Store. Click on the application to open and wait a few seconds until it loads. Make sure that you are connected to the internet, otherwise it won't work. Next step, click on the search application or in the top and type my Asus. Hit enter. And here what you want to look for, you want to look for my Asus application, apps productivity, Asus Tech Computer Inc. And with this blue logo, click on open and you will get normally if you still don't have this application installed, all what you need to do, click on the title and on the left panel you should see instead of open you should see install. Once you clicked on install, it will take few minutes, 3 or 4 minutes, and then you should see open button available, and then you click on it. This is in case it's not already pre-installed in your computer. Next step, what we want to do, we want to go back to our search tab and we want to type my Asus. Click with the right button of the mouse and select pin to taskbar. I have it already pinned, so you want to click pin to taskbar so that you have it visible always on your taskbar. Next step, go back to your taskbar, click on the application to open, and here you will see all the details of your computer, etc. And under customization, click on battery health maximum or battery health, and you will be taken to this part. Here, there are two settings to change or to keep. Fan profile, you want to keep it standard mode, unless you are using your computer for something unusual. Let's say you are using a huge software which consumes all the resources, then you want to check performance mode. Otherwise, standard mode is more than enough. And the standard mode allow you to dynamically select the best fan speed for everyday tasks. Next step, you want to go to better health charging and you want to select maximum lifespan mode. And once you select this application, what you want to do, you want to go and to plug your laptop to electricity. Why? In this way, you will receive a message and it will tell you your battery charging limit is currently set to 60%. You can manage your charging mode settings and customization. What happens? So once you have plugged your charger, the battery will charge until 60%. And once there, the charging will stop and then your computer will automatically switch to use the charger coming electricity. It will no longer rely on the battery, but it will rely on the charger. If you unplug the charger and you go somewhere, then the computer will use the 60% available in the battery. And this is very good, especially if you use your laptop on daily basis for extended time. Then this will protect your battery as it will be switching automatically to the charger electricity rather than pumping the battery and using the electricity of the battery. If you want, you can always select balance mode and this will allow your battery to charge for 80%. However, let's say that you know that you are going to be traveling and you will have no electricity source and you would like to have the battery fully charged, then very easy. Just turn off your laptop and leave it plugged to electricity. And the next day when you turn on your laptop, you'll find out that the battery has been 100% charged as it was off. I hope this video tutorial was helpful to you guys. If you are still in need of help or assistance, just write us a comment or send us an email and we will do our best to help you. If you would like to encourage us to make more video tutorials, you can always do that by clicking like, share, and subscribing to get our latest videos. And as a new option, you can always join our YouTube family for as little as $1 to $10. Thank you guys for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.